Hello, today I'll be showing you how to change the batteries in your smart door locks. The tools we'll need for the job is one small to medium sized Phillips head screwdriver and 4 AA batteries, which can be acquired at any local hardware store. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to unscrew the screw on the right, the bottom, and the left of the door lock. In my case, all the screws are unscrewed, but if they were not, you would simply just take the screws out. Once the screws have been removed, we're then going to grab this front cover plate here with a firm pinch and we're going to slide upwards. From here, the cover should just slide right off. Here's where we'll locate the battery housing. From here, we're going to grab these little thumb tabs on either side. We're going to pinch and we're going to slide upward, just like so, and we can pull the batteries out. From here, we're then going to replace the batteries, and it's important to note that the negative side of the battery should be where the spring is. Once the batteries have been replaced, we're then going to locate the side of the battery housing that says door. We're then going to line up the arrows of the word door so they're facing towards the door. So all we're going to do is we're going to realign the battery housing over the slot. The arrows of the word door are facing towards the door. We're going to slide it down. We're going to hear 2 beeps. And all is good. Now once we've replaced our batteries, the last step is to just put our housing cover back on. So all we're going to do is we're going to slide this back on, slide it down so it fits nice and flush into place. Or if it's another model, you might just have to press it on to the front. And then once we've done that, we're just going to re-screw all the screws in that we took out from before. And our job here is done. And that's it.